Okay, so we're gonna open it. Let me lower the camera so you guys can see.
Is this better?
You guys ready?
Is it recording?
Yeah, this camera's recording.
Tyler, is it a strong Yeah, you speak. Does it really sound bad? Okay, now it's getting better. Wait, are you filming a video?
Yeah, I'm filming one while doing this. Oh my god. Oh wow. It's huge. Where is the key? I don't even have a Silent Night key. Oh, here it is. Oh wow, it's the most basic key. It doesn't even say Silent Night or anything. Oh wow. Oh wow, the keypad looks nice. It's kind of small though, but it's a nice keypad. Yeah, I'm going to remove it from the box though.
How much did you get that panel for?
400.
Oh, wow. Not bad. Take the paper off the...
Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look. Wait.
Oh, it's used.
Wait. No. Because it... I'm so confused. I'm not sure if it's used or new. Because it came with... Yeah, it came with a plug. So... Oh, here are the battery. It came with battery clips as well. Like, Amber's...
Wait, are you the person who bought that 10UD?
What?
Are you the dude who bought that 10UD with a power, a 3 power supply, and then there's like a 1087?
Yeah.
And there's like a Wheelock EHS and a VG12S L?
I think so. Oh yeah.
It was in Chicago.
Yeah. Also, look, see? It is new. I'm so confused, though. Why did it come with this? Like, and it's not even used. Like, it looks new. Like, none of the things. Yeah.
It's probably new.
Like there's still the protective cover and stuff. Oh my god, this is heavy. So here's the panel. Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in. Imagine it comes in dead. Oh, I'm starting it up. Oh my god, it's so quiet compared to the 10UD. Like, okay. Well?
Back.
Oh, it's from 2015. That's what it says on the so far. 3/17/15. So yeah.
Are you gonna put the panel right now?
Probably not. I'm probably gonna get I'm probably gonna put I can't even like put any alarms. Wait, I could get a strobe because my sister's sleeping. Oh, like virtual zones?
Like programming? No, like you can have.
Cause it's like really low. So yeah.
Do firmware upgrade.
Yeah, I should. Wait, first let me disconnect from here.
Join Discord on my computer. Be right back.
Okay. We're gonna install the first notification plan. Let's see, negative and positive. I know we shouldn't do this on a live panel, but oh well.
Yo.
I have the strobe. What?
What's going on?
New panel unboxing.
He got a 6808.
Holy cow, I think you're the second person to get a 6808.
How do I go?
I convinced him to get it.
Matt, how do I go into drill?
Press drill and then enter.
Wait, enter or what do I do?
Press drill and enter.
Drill and then enter?
Should tell you. Yeah.
It works!
And to back out a drill, you just press the
Enter?
left arrow.
The left?
Yeah.
Any key to stop. Oh, you can click any key.
Yeah.
Wait, can you like program?
Fire